In this video, you'll learn how to troubleshoot and resolve login issues on Binance. This guide will provide you with the steps needed to regain access to your account effectively. Begin by checking your login credentials. Ensure that the email and password you're entering are correct. It's important to verify that there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not engaged. If you cannot remember your password, consider using the password reset option provided on the login page, which will guide you through the steps to create a new password. Next, you will need to complete any security checks that may be prompted during the login process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the correct 2FA code. Be sure to check that the time on your Google Authenticator app is synchronized correctly with your device's time. An incorrect time setting can lead to authentication errors, preventing you from logging in successfully. If you continue to experience login issues, after verifying your credentials and completing the security checks, the next step is to contact Binance support. You can usually find the support option at the bottom of the Binance website. Click on the support or help center link to access the contact form. Provide all necessary details regarding your login issue, including your email address and a description of the problem you're facing. After submitting your support request, it is essential to wait for an official response from Binance. Response times can vary, so be patient while they review your case. In the meantime, ensure that you monitor your email for any updates or additional information they may require to assist you further. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.